Welcome to aamirz 2 cents. So today I'm going to show you guys how does the pecan tree look like. There are different variety of pecans available. We live in Charlotte, North Carolina, or close to Charlotte, North Carolina, and here we have at the farm we have different type of pecan trees available. Some of them small, some of them hard, they are really big, and some of them are hard shell and some of them are soft shell. So we have many type of trees at our farm, so I'm going to show you a couple of them. So first of all, let me show you this one, and this is a small one. The tree is big. So when I say small, this tree is huge tree. That when I say small, it does not mean that the tree is small. Tree is pretty big. It's same like the other trees, the big the tree which produce the big pecans. The fruit it produces, that's a small. So you guys can see this is a pretty big tree right there. So let me show you a little from a little far so you can see. So this is a huge tree, and the fruit it produces, that's small in size. So let's go close and take a look. Here these are produced in clusters, so you can see bunch of them. These are 4, and some of them are 2 together. You can see right there. So you can see right there. So they have just a green shell outside, and once they start ripen, they open them. So you can see right there, this opens, and the fruit is inside, and you have to shell them before you eat them. So see right there, this one, still some of them are inside. If you eat them, you feel them, they are wet, so you have to kind of dry in the sun, and that's how they will get dry. And really nice fruit. This has they are high in protein, good for cholesterol, so a lot of good qualities in this dry fruit you will get. So this was a tree where we get a small size pecans. So you see right there. So let's go back to the another one where I'm gonna show you guys the big pecan tree. So that's tree is pretty big. So even the trees is pretty, they are same kind of size. If you will look at the tree which produces a small size pecans, the leaves are also small. So you see right there, so they are smaller. And if you will look at the tree which produces big size pecans, the size of the leaves are gonna be big as well. So this tree is also a pecan tree, but this produces a bigger size of pecans. So you see right there, very beautiful tree. I love these. And let's see, okay, here you see that these leaves are bigger, and this is also in clusters. This is 4 pecans right there, but they are big in size. So here you have 2 of them big in size. So let's find some of them. I cannot reach all the way to the up to grab those pecans for you. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look on the ground. So you see right there, there's one, and there are a lot of them actually. So you see right there, these right there. Some of them will be not heavy, so you can tell they don't have actual fruit inside. So if you go here further, this is another one. So I can tell you some of them look like empty, they don't have any fruit inside. So a bunch of them actually fell down from this tree. And let's see if we can find a couple more. See right there, this is also broken, so I don't want to use this one. So we have honestly here, now I'm gonna put oh, here there is a big one right there. Okay, so what you have here, these are the bigger pecans, and I'm gonna put them side to side with the small so you can see them together right there. These are the one which are large in size, and these are the one which are small in size. So you can tell from there too. So these are small, and if you see, if you put together, you can see this one is big, these are small. So different pecans tree produce different size of pecans. Some are small, some are big, some are soft shell, some are hard shell. I will suggest you, if you can have a tree in your backyard, pecan tree produce a lot of good fruit, healthy, and you can use year around. Kids love it, everybody loves it, it's good for health. So just grow a tree and enjoy the fruit. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.